Godox Micro Flash MF12 support TTL mode. It's a powerful with a short recycling time. The flash is easier to operate. Frontal teeth together to observe alignment, overlap, overbite, central line, and symmetry condition of the teeth. Let the patient lie on the dental chair, which makes a 30-degree angle with the floor. Use the retractor to pull the lips. The patient bite together and expose all the teeth and oral vestibule. Adjust the lie position on the ring. Set the tooth flash to the upper and lower position. The lens should be in the same line of the occlusal plane and be perpendicular to the central incisor teeth plane. All the teeth and the oral vestibule should be contained in the image. Buckle left and right to observe the occluding relation from molar to canine. Let the patient lie on the dental chair. The head turns about 30 degrees towards the opposite side of the camera. Use the retractor to pull the lips. The patient bites together and explore all the teeth and oral vestibule. Position the lens to the front side, about 45 degrees with the patient. Keep out of the buccal mucosa on the opposite side within the frame. Expose the last molar to the largest extent and keep part of the retractor within the picture. The ideal composition is to include just the incisor of the opposite side. Upper and lower occlusal to observe the arch form, symmetry, and clouding degree of the teeth. Let the patient lie on the dental chair and open the mouth. Pull the lips off the teeth with the retractor. Put the mirror into the mouth and form an angle with the teeth. The camera position is in front of the patient. Point the camera to the mirror and form a 45-degree angle with it. The occlusal surface of the upper, lower teeth are visible. The palatal suture, lingual, filament should locate in the vertical central line of the picture. Parameter setting. Set the tooth flash to the group A. Short press the menu button. Turn the dial to GR. Short press the set button and turn the dial to group A. Short press the group A button. Short press the mode button to set the flash to TTL mode. Set the camera to M mode. Shutter speed to 1 in 200. Aperture to f22. ISO to 100. Test the flash. Setting is completed. Adjust the light position. Please mind the angle and position of the flash and be in upper and lower position. The flash should point toward with an angle so we can get better exposure within the mouse.